Pinicturean ko nga ito lahat o puro low
Craig,
na.
do you feel sad
Why?
about Rina?
Yeah.
Puro low, halos low.
Sad that she's gonna die before she pays me back.
Oh no. You guys should go on vacation
Yeah, we went to Vegas.
and enjoy life while you guys
Mag-vacation ko na
still
kasi din.
can.
Buti na lang, wag na. Wag na daw.
Pero
Kaming dalawa.
ang kaning
Kevin, did you bring any of that Filipino Zaza back with you? Or?
Ne.
Marmi confirm.
You know what?
Zaza.
Karong Tuesday.
No,
No?
Mano lang na na.
What is that? What is Zaza, Kevin?
I don't even know what it's
Okay.
Naamang good with
Then how do you know if you didn't bring it back or not?
How ba? Ang mo kay ng diabetes o
Diabetes, high blood, sakit sa kasing-kasing.
sana tidili ano.
Faith, I'm having chest pains.
Oh no, we don't want to say chest pain because that is a bad word.
I know. Yeah, I that's why I brought it up. Fuck. I'd hate.
Galing ko rin. Ako wala na kayo kung problema ana. Ako wala ang kanilang sakit kaya kung madugay na bigyan na ko di mo.
Giyate ka, Belio.
Sinabi niya kasi, minsan kasi
Before
yan,
ka mag-diagnose.
sabi niya it might be.
Yeah, you're not allowed to diagnose without proper examination or.
Kasi may, di ba every year may stole sa tae. Dumi ba?
So sample?
Mm.
This is for sample ka every year. Bakit?
Yun ang ano niya sa doktor ko every year yan. Kasama yung mga blood test ito.
Tig na yan. Dr. Paul pa kaya sa akin.
For me,
Concern
I
kay
don't
siya
have any
ng
doctor. That's why I'm
Concern kay
asking
siya
ate.
ng grade.
Pero tignan yung ano ko. Kaya nga plano ko pupunta kami ng Thailand. If we ever...
Oh, the Thailand hookers, I
No,
tell you.
no, we're planning to like do an executive checkup because I requested that to my doctor before. I said, oh, there's nothing wrong. There's no need for
Ako doktor de ko an kay concern kay dahan itambay.
Kevin, I'm going to Thailand to do some of my own examinations,
Oh.
Kevin.
My doctor doesn't fucking care. So I'm like, yeah, if you go to Thailand, I think you pay $700 and you get all like MRI, like preventive check, right? So I told my husband, I said, let's do it, you know, because we're not gonna get that here in Canada. MRI is a year wait list.
I go to Thailand for some S&M.
Make sure you wash your balls, okay?
Honey, the Thailand girls will take me into the shower for a very long time,
They
honey.
will, yeah, especially if it was a lady boy, Greg, right?
No.
If the price is right.
And be careful, Greg.
No.
Not all beautiful are
I will
lady.
tell.
You don't know it's a man.
Yeah. So suddenly when you open their underwear, something will gonna say hi to you.
You see a flagpole.
See, these are all
At the back.
horror stories that I've never experienced before. Thank God there's no surprises when we got back to my hotel room. Not you, honey. The prostitute, honey.
Like,
What's that?
Oh,
The cleaning the
Brazilian waxing.
Oh my God. Where did you get that video, Kevin?
On
TikTok.
Facebook. On TikTok.
Facebook allows that?
Mhm.
Gi-click to ni mo.
Because it's educational.
Mamatay kung katawa. Di ba nasa unggoy katong bang ba? You remember honey the monkeys?
I need some education, honey. I need to know how a man and a woman, a hot woman, has sex. You know, I'm gonna have to go on Facebook and watch a few videos. Watch a few videos tonight, honey.
Buong-buong dito may Las Vegas na buhang.
It's educational, honey.
Abi na ko de komedya kaya. Bisti dito kami Kevin do nang lami na try sigig sayo sayang na adong no. Istorbo ta kay. Mori padalion ko niya kay pabayaran ko ni burikat.
Tay kung mag-exam ka, baka
Merkulis.
Anyway, I have to go now. 7:30
Okay,
already.
thank you, Beth, sa mag-exam.
Salamat ano.
go to the one of my friend to bring some.
Friends.
Sinong friend daw? Secret.
What did you bring?
Sila Calvin.
Ah, Calvin. Oh.
Dati yung asawa niya sa kayong ano.
Ano sila?
Hindi, I'll go to my friend Craig to bring them some presents from the Philippines.
Yeah, I remember Rena sent me a stun gun one time, but I think
thought-
they
I
sabotaged.
I told to Craig that you can go to the Philippines and buy a woman for 10,000.
10,000.
Pesos yun.
Yeah, but Joe.
I could get one for 1,000 pesos.
Craig,
I have.
that lady. Craig, you can get.
I have.
Craig, that lady you can get that pregnant and it will be yours forever.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
And just like 14 years old.
14.
Yeah.
I'm not my dad, okay? I'm not my
You
dad.
gotta be rapist.
I'm not my dad.
Predator. Pedo.
Yeah.
Shit, Kevin.
Okay, Craig.
You better watch out with those 14-year-olds, Kevin.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Okay.
See you.
Yeah, I'll see you.
next
See you.
time.
Bye,
Yeah.
Thank